Hello and welcome back to the Learning Health and Fitness channel. In this video, we'll discuss and answer questions on the truth about the DASH diet and why so many doctors endorse it. Before we begin, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. What exactly is the DASH diet? According to doctors, this diet is the most effective way to improve your overall health. It received a 3.3 out of 5 in the category of weight loss effectiveness and a 4.5 out of 5 in the category of health usefulness, based on the National Institute of Health, and it ranked first out of 40 diets evaluated. The DASH diet is a simple, safe, and effective plan that can help you feel better and lose weight. There's no need for starvation or yo-yo dieting to lose weight gradually. It will not shock or stress your body. DASH is short for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. It's a diet designed specifically to lower blood pressure in people with hypertension, but scientists discovered that it also helps with a variety of other health issues. It lowers cholesterol, prevents stroke and heart failure, and helps people lose weight even if they are obese. Furthermore, it's regarded as the best diet for diabetes prevention. In addition to controlling blood pressure, those who follow it improve insulin resistance. How does it work? The DASH diet balances all of the necessary nutrients and minerals for brain and organ function, such as calcium, potassium, protein, and fiber. It also improves the condition of your hair and skin. This diet is convenient because you don't have to calculate and monitor each nutrient. All you have to do is limit your salt intake and eat certain recommended foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, protein-rich foods, and dairy products. DASH is not like trendy crash diets. It's a complete lifestyle change. It's not so much about the quantity as it is about the quality of the food. It's intended for people who must maintain healthy eating habits throughout their lives, and there's no need to restrict yourself or go hungry. You can eat whatever you want. You only need to remember a few general rules. Drink at least 6 to 7 ounces of fluids per day. It should ideally be still water or green tea with no more than 4 cups per day. Aim for 5 meals per day. One serving should be no more than 8.8 ounces, so it's better to eat smaller portions more frequently. Control your daily calorie intake. It should be between 2,000 and 2,500 per day. You'll need to exercise restraint if you have a sweet tooth. You don't have to give up sweets entirely, just limit yourself to 5 times per week. Increase your intake of cereals, seeds, beans, lean meats, and vegetables. You should refrain from consuming soda or alcohol. This is because drinking too much alcohol raises your blood pressure and harms your liver, heart, and brain. Restrict your snacking. It should be no more than 8 per day in between meals, but only if you're truly hungry and not just bored. Remember, smoking is illegal. Reduce your salt intake to no more than 2 to 3 teaspoons per day. Whole wheat bread should be part of your diet. And lastly, smoked or fatty foods, pickles, pastries, and canned fish or meats are prohibited. What can you eat? The DASH principle states that when developing a diet plan, you should keep your goals in mind. Do you want to lose weight or get in shape? If you want to lose weight, your diet should be low in calories. In other words, you just need to make your servings smaller. Anyone following the DASH diet can consume the following food. For cereals, limit yourself to 7 servings per day. For example, 1 serving should be a slice of bread, half a cup of cooked pasta, or half a cup of oatmeal. No more than 5 servings of fruit per day. 1 fruit, a quarter cup of dried fruits, or a half cup of juice should suffice. Vegetables for 5 servings per day, so half a cup of steamed vegetables could suffice. 2 or 3 servings of non-fat dairy products per day. For example, 1.8 ounces of cheese or 5 ounces of milk would suffice. 5 servings of seeds, beans, and nuts per week. The serving size is 1.4 ounces. 3 servings of animal and vegetable fats per day. 1 teaspoon of olive or linseed oil could suffice. No more than 5 times per week of sweet dishes. A teaspoon of honey or jam is acceptable. For fluids, 67 ounces per day. Water is preferred, but green tea and juice are also acceptable. And protein is best consumed in the form of 7 ounces of lean meat, fish, or eggs per day. Are there any foods you should avoid? Of course, because it's a diet and lifestyle change, you must avoid all of the typical unhealthy foods. Fast food and chips, smoked and canned foods, salami, sausage, fatty meat, candy, cookies, other sweets, and soft drinks are all prohibited. If you've become dependent on junk food, you can just gradually eliminate them. You'll only set yourself up for failure if you try to quit cold turkey. Take small steps, and in time, your cravings will fade. Are you still with us? If you're enjoying this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and check out more amazing health and fitness tips that we made just for you. Before we go back, enable that notification bell button and be updated on all of our latest videos. How do you plan your diet? You can make your own menu by following the diet's rules and incorporating the products that you are permitted to eat. You don't need to do anything special to create your diet plan. Simply include the necessary products while gradually excluding the unhealthy ones. If you want to lose weight, reduce the recommended serving size. You can also find a variety of delicious DASH-approved dishes on the internet. When you look for them, you'll find a plethora of recipes for appetizers, drinks, main dishes, and even desserts. Would you really lose weight with this diet? The DASH diet was not originally intended for weight loss, but studies have shown that it can assist people in losing unwanted pounds. In a 2006 study, 810 adults with borderline to mild hypertension were divided into 3 groups. The first group was given general advice on how to change their lifestyles in order to control their blood pressure. The second group was told to limit their sodium intake to less than 2,300 milligrams per day and to exercise, as well as limit their alcohol consumption. The third group was required to follow the same instructions as the second group, but they were also required to eat in accordance with the DASH guidelines. People in the second group lost approximately 8 pounds after a year and a half, while those in the DASH group lost an average of 9.5 pounds, which was significantly better than the results of the first group, which only lost 3 pounds on average. Is it easy to stick to the DASH eating plan? As we've stated, DASH received a 3.4 out of 5 in how easy it is to follow, according to the data from the National Institute of Health. But being human, it's not always easy to say no to your favorite salty, sugary, or fatty treats. The good news is, this diet does not restrict you from entire food groups. There are numerous recipe options available, so you are sure to find something to your liking. Most restaurants serve large portions of salty or fatty food, so when dining out, choose fruits and vegetables over soups. Also, request that your meal not be seasoned. When it comes to alcohol, you can indulge once in a while, but remember to keep it to a minimum. That means no more than 1 drink per day for the ladies. Men should not consume more than 2 drinks per day. What constitutes a drink? That's 5 ounces of wine, 1.5 ounces of liquor, and 12 ounces of beer. Are you ready to take on the DASH diet? What are the interesting things you find about it? Tell us in the comments section below. If you're into health and fitness videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable the notification bell button to be updated on all of our latest videos.